Bienvenue en Afrique. L'humanité, la paix, la santé et l'histoire. Tu sais, la musique, c'est la vie, quoi. C'est ma vie. Je dois mourir de la musique.
Day 0, the first day of our official 16 December 2020 bike trip to Mpumalanga. We were 5 guys getting ready for this trip, and it was gonna be something spectacular. On the first day, we just had to make sure the bikes were gonna be ready for our trip, so we went out, got some new tires and got everything ready, soon to set out. We had a pretty solid group of guys, namely Jock aka Kudu, we had Cornel aka Main Captain, my uncle John Harris aka Knox, myself and Peter aka Scully. We were super excited to hit the road at long last. Finally, we could experience the African plains once again. About halfway through the first day, we decided it was time to grab lunch somewhere. We stopped by the bridge, an exceptionally cool spot for bikers to hang out at. We had a pretty decent view along with some really good steak. pretty soon on the first day we saw that there might be some heavy rains ahead. And as we were crossing over one of the main mountains of the day, we hit quite a decent amount of fog, which complicated things, but it made them quite interesting. Arriving at Kaapsruhe later the first day, we decided to grab a quick snack and some beers before we headed to our first camping spot. At the end of day one, we finally arrived at our first location, Kaapsruhe Porsche Trails. Luckily, we would not have to set up camp the first night because we would be staying in some really nice housing. We had managed to travel about 480 kilometers on the first day. Unfortunately, I had struck a bird and it went straight through my bike's air vent on the left side. That's a new panel. Not that it would matter anyways, because on the second day I had a pretty decent fall, crashing that panel and my windscreen. And just like that, our first day of riding was finished. The rest of the weekend was gonna be awesome, and we didn't even know it.